Welcome to Stay Healthy Hacks. Simple tips for a healthier you. Hurricanes. These natural events, which make us feel the full force of nature, pose a great threat not only to buildings, but also to our health. The last big hurricane in the U.S. reminded us all once again that we need to be prepared. So, how can we stay healthy in such situations? Here are 7 critical for hurricane survival. Tip 1. Find a safe shelter. When you know a hurricane is approaching, the first thing you should do is find a safe shelter. If you are at home, move to the innermost room or basement of the building, away from windows. No matter the intensity of the hurricane, this small step can protect you and your family from major risks. If you are outside, immediately head to a safe indoor area and avoid open spaces. Tip 2. Pack an emergency kit. You don't want to be scrambling at the last minute when a hurricane is approaching. So, prepare an emergency kit in advance. Essentials like water, canned food, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, blankets, and personal medicines should always be ready. In case the power goes out or you need to evacuate, this kit can save lives. Tip 3. Stay away from power lines. One of the biggest dangers during hurricanes is downed power lines. Puddles of water and downed power lines can be deadly. If you are outdoors, be very careful of these hazards. Keep a wide distance from power lines and wait for authorities to repair them. Tip 4. Stock up on clean water and food. One of the biggest risks after a hurricane is the contamination of drinking water and food supplies. Make sure you have clean water and, if possible, stock up on water and food for a few days before the hurricane hits. Bottled water is the safest option. Non-perishable food is also critical. Tip 5. Pay attention to air quality. Air quality often decreases after hurricanes. Dust, pollen, and other harmful particles carried by the wind can cause respiratory problems. If you have to go outside, wear a mask or cover your nose and mouth with a cloth if possible. Tip 6. Follow updates and alerts. It is very important to follow the authorities' warnings during and after the hurricane. Stay informed about current evacuations or alerts via your cell phone, radio, or television. Power outages can occur, so always remember to have a spare radio or extra batteries. Tip 7. Stay calm and avoid panic. Panic often creates more danger. Staying calm gives you the time you need to make the best decisions. Stay in touch with family members and put your emergency plan into practice. Remember, being prepared for your safety during a hurricane will be your biggest savior. We may feel helpless in the face of the power of nature, but these 7 simple tips are vital to protecting your health and safety. Be prepared for hurricanes and protect yourself and your loved ones. Remember, every small precaution can make a big difference. Want to stay healthy? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.